Components required: we require a push button, one LED, two jumper wires, breadboard, and Arduino Uno. First, we'll connect the push button. We'll connect the LED. From cathode, we'll connect it to the D4 pin. And from push buttons, ground, we'll connect it to the ground of the Arduino.